All right, go ahead and make a bumper for this. So I'm gonna match this bend. I got this pulled off, so that way I can mount to this tube right here, and then mount all the Baja Designs lights to the front of this. Press give it a little more aggressive look. So let's get after it. So this is going to be a 20-degree angle. At least that matches the plastic, 20 degrees. So I'll have it out here, bend it around, and I can mount the lights top and bottom. And then just 1-inch tube straight through. I'll notch the plastic for that. Weld to the factory bumper, and then be done. Let's do this. Now that that's all bent up, go ahead and weld on some tube ends. You can get these Off-Road Warehouse, pretty much anywhere that sells any sort of fabrication tool. Just go on the end, looks nice and clean. I'm also going to take the time and bench weld the light tab, or the light pod tabs, so that way it helps me figure out the spacing from the front, so it's a perfect fit. All right, this one is taking a little bit longer, so I'm gonna have to do this in a multi-part video, so stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you later.